This integral looks like the most difficult integral in the world, but the solution of this integral is so straightforward that you will fall in love with how this integral will turn out. Make sure you watch this video till the end. In order to integrate this, we'll have to find a way to combine those two scary looking terms. And how do you do that is you just pick one of, so think of these as there is a base and there is exponent, there is a base and there is exponent. Just pick base from one of the term and pick exponent from another term and multiply and divide by that. Let's see what we mean by this. Let me first write that integral down the way it is. So I have integral of dx divided by x minus 11 to the power 11 by 13 x plus 15 to the power 15 by 13, and obviously I have with respect to x. So what you do is, let's say I pick x plus 15 as the base. So you divide by x plus 15 to the power and take the power as 11 by 13. Okay, so pick the base from the second term, let's say, and the power from the first term, and multiply and divide by that term that is generated. So x plus 15 to the power 11 by 13. So multiply by, remember we are doing everything in the denominator. So x plus 15 to the power 11 by 13. So essentially what we do is we multiply and divide by x plus 15 to the power 11 by 13. We do that in the denominator. Okay, now we can easily use the law of exponents at this point. So we will have integral of dx divided by, you can combine these two because the powers are same. You can just write it in terms of fractions. So you have x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 to the power 11 by 13. Okay, and in the remaining two terms you can apply the law of exponents. Because the base is same, those powers will get added up. And if you want to remember that, if you remember this law, x to the power a times x to the power b is x to the power a plus b. So since the base is same, those powers will get added up. So what you will have is x plus 15, and you can add those powers. So 15 by 13 plus 11 by 13. So you have in the power 15 by 13 plus 11 by 13. And remember, everything is getting integrated with respect to x. I hope that makes sense so far. And 15 by 13 plus 11 by 13. So 15 plus 11 is 26 divided by 13. This is essentially 2. Okay, so what we have now is integral of dx divided by x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 to the power 11 by 13, and I have x plus 15 to the power 2, because those two numbers will add up and give you 2 by the law of exponents. So that's the integral that I have so far. Now what I can do, I can put that complicated term x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 as u and do the u substitution, and the magic will happen at that point. So let's say we put x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 is equal to u. Now, in order to convert that integral from the x world to the u world, let's differentiate both the sides with respect to x. And if you differentiate both the sides with respect to x, you'll have to apply the division rule of differentiation. So the division rule says we have x plus 15 the whole square, we have x plus 15, and we take differentiation of x minus 11, which is 1, minus, now we keep x minus 11 the way it is, and we take differentiation of x plus 15, which is again 1, and this is nothing but du by dx. We are differentiating that u with respect to x. Now let's simplify this. If you notice carefully that x plus 15 to the power 2 is getting generated over here, so that's a good thing. So what you can do now is just simplify the numerator. So you have x plus 15, that minus will just get multiplied inside, so you have minus x plus 11 divide by x plus 15 the whole square is equal to du by dx. This x and this x will get cancelled, and 15 plus 11 is just going to give you 26 divided by x plus 15 the whole square is equal to du by dx. If you notice carefully over here in this integral, you have dx over here and x plus 15 the whole square. We also have dx here and x plus 15 the whole square. So what you do, in order to convert that dx in terms of du, just multiply that dx on left hand side, take that 26 on right hand side. So what you'll have is, therefore, dx divided by x plus 15 the whole square is equal to du divided by 26. So this equation will be used to convert that dx to du. Okay. So now let's write that integral in the u world. So we have integral of, so this term dx over x plus 15 the whole square, which is right here. So we have this dx divided by x plus 15 the whole square. That can be just written as du divided by 26. So we have du divided by 26, and in the denominator this term that we have here is nothing but u. Okay, so we have u to the power 11 by 13. So we have u to the power 11 by 13. How simple that integral is right now. Now this is a basic algebraic integral. What you can do is take the 26 out of the integral. So you have 1 over 26 integral of du divided by u to the power 11 by 13. And we know that integral of x to the power n dx is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So we can just apply the law of exponents first here and take that in the numerator. So we have u to the power minus 11 by 13 du, and then we can apply this algebraic formula of integral. So we have 1 over 26 and then we have u to the power minus 11 by 13 plus 1 divided by minus 11 by 13 plus 1 plus constant of integration c. Now u was nothing but, let's resubstitute u as well, x minus 11 divided by x plus 15. So we can substitute that back. So we have 1 over 26 x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 to the power 1 minus 11 by 13, which is nothing but 2 divided by 13. If you do the math, divide by the same thing, 2 divided by 13 plus constant of integration. See, this is actually your final result. You can clean this up a little bit if you want. This 13 is in the denominator can go in the numerator. Okay, so we have 13 divided by 26 times 2, and then we have x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 to the power 2 by 13. Plus, let's add the constant of integration c, which is already there. This 13 times 2 is 26. So essentially what you have is 1 over 4 x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 to the power 2 by 13 plus constant of integration c, and this is nothing but your clean final result of this integral. How easy was that integral once you understand that logic of u substitution and little bit of rule of exponents. If you want to see more such interesting calculus videos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I do post math and calculus content every single day. If you want to master calculus, hit that subscribe button today. I'll see you tomorrow.